Welcome to AMTV Malawi. Don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell. Mwanamveka trashes resignation rumors, encourages all party members to remain united. Joseph Mwanamveka, DBP's vice president for the Southern Region, has described as laughable allegations making rounds that he has resigned from the party. In a statement released today, Mwanamveka said being one of the founding members of the party, he is firm and remains committed to the shared vision of the party and has no any intentions at all to step down. I, Joseph Mwanamveka, Vice President for the Southern Region, categorically deny the malicious rumors circulating about my resignation. The allegations are entirely false and baseless, as I have not resigned, and I have no intentions of doing so, reads part of the statement. He further emphasized his relationship with the party's president, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, remains strong and intact, describing him as not only a leader to him, but as well a mentor and a father figure. He therefore said Mutharika, being his father, he would never take any action that would disappoint him, and he preached his perpetual and tireless work for the advancement of the party. The Chiladzulu South parliamentarian has at this juncture argued the public to disregard the allegations and has encouraged all party members to continue working together to build a better future for all.